Socket is like a two-way bridge. If two machines want to communicate over the internet, there must be a bridge between them to transfer data. Each side of a bridge has a security guard to control traffic. Before building a bridge, it's important to clarify the roles of each other. A security is stationed around the clock, serving as a server-side role. Another security is sent when message needs to be delivered, acting as a client role. After the roles confirmed, the bridge will be built, and then data can be delivered in both ways. In the meantime, another security guard also wants to communicate with the server, and after the server's security guard's agreement, the two sides also begin to build a bridge and proceed with the delivery of data. After a few minutes, the first client security wants to close the bridge because they already finished transmitting the data, so he informs the server-side security guard that they want to dismantle the bridge, and then he acts. Without the bridge, they cannot communicate with each other anymore unless they rebuild it. Now, you have already understood the concept of data, so we can discuss in more depth about how socket protocol works on the computer. Basically, we can implement socket programming in a variety of programming language. For example, like Python, Java, C++, Lua, or some high-level programming language. To building a funnel of socket, we must first set up a server-side role and a client role, just like what we mentioned above, and we call this network architecture a master-slave architecture. Server-side play the slave role, waiting for the connection request of client, then release the response back to it. Clients play a master role, sending the connection request to server-side, keeping waiting until receiving the response from server-side. When we use the programming language to create a socket, we first hire a security guard on the server side. It has a specific IP address and port number. Then, the client's security guard also has a specific IP address and port number too. After the declaration of their own contact information, the client's security guard sends a connection request to server side, and after the connection agreement of server side, they will start to build a bridge. After that, both sides can be able to transfer their data continually. That's the basic introduction of socket protocol. In the next video, I will use Python language to implement socket server and socket client. Then see you guys in the next video.